Hi guys, this is Chef Faiz Khan.
Hi, this is Maximilian. Welcome to Sun Studio.
And we are back with another beautiful recipe this week. We're gonna make a very special instant paneer biryani. We're gonna show you the most simplest way ever to make this biryani. Marination of paneer. We're gonna take 4 heaped tablespoons of fresh yogurt, 1 heaped tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of jeera powder, 1/4 tablespoon of dhania powder, a little of haldi powder around half teaspoon, a teaspoon of garam masala powder, some freshly chopped mint goes in along with some crispy fried onion. Around half fried onion goes in. We're gonna mix this together nicely. Nice marinade. Maxi, for me, biryani is 5 basic mother ingredients. To start with, yogurt,
Okay.
fresh mint leaves,
Okay.
kevra water,
Alright.
rose water,
Alright.
and crispy fried onion.
Wow, that's great.
If you have a perfect balance to these 5 things, you are master of a biryani. It's 200 grams, around 250 grams of diamond shape cut paneer into this mixture. Make it a point that whenever you use paneer, it is always fresh, because eating a day or a 2-day-old paneer is very bad. I don't like it. A tablespoon of desi ghee, but if ghee is not available, what you can do is you can use the oil which you have fried onions in. Hot oil, I'm gonna put 2 bay leaves, half-inch stick of cinnamon broken into pieces. I'm gonna put 1 flower of javitri, around 4 to 5 cloves, and around 2 broken cardamom. And we're gonna add around 1.5 chopped onion. I'm gonna add in 1 heaped tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm gonna add in around 1.5 chopped tomatoes. Now, as you can see, the ghee has started oozing out. So this is the time this marinated paneer goes in. We're gonna add around 2 chopped green chilies. Whenever I cook, I make it a point that only once after I've added the body to the dish, I add green chilies, then cook again around for 5 to 6 minutes. Adjust the salt. We're gonna put a little fried onions on top here, a little of chopped mint leaves, and a few sprigs of coriander. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna arrange the rice over it nicely, so that we are about to finish our biryani. I have boiled the rice using throwaway method, wherein we cook the rice and we throw away the water. While boiling the rice, I have added some whole garam masalas into this.
Garam masala in the rice?
Yes, whole garam masala, cinnamon stick, cloves, dalchini, elaichi.
Okay. To make it flavored.
To make it more flavorsome. We don't need to cook it or keep it for dum for a very long time, because today we are making a very instant biryani. Everything here is cooked. And can see there was no difficult step in this biryani mix. Every step simple, basic and very homely, and with all the homely ingredient only.
Okay, that makes it easy for a housewife to cook.
Exactly, housewife, student studying in the hostel, or anybody can make this in a few simple steps. I'm gonna put a little fried onion from top here. So now what we have done is we have made layers. You've seen.
Yes.
We have marinated at the base. Then we have put fried onions and mince. Then we have put rice. Then again we have put fried onions and leaf. Now when we are gonna steam it for half a minute, it is gonna infuse all the flavor to top and makes the biryani very flavorsome. Now what I have here is I have a mixture of rose water and kevda water. I'm gonna add lemon yellow color to this. And now I'm gonna pour this around to my rice. We're gonna give this a little shake and lid on for 30 seconds to 1 minute. For serving our instant biryani today, I have a nice earthen pot. So finally from the top we're gonna put nice fried onions, fresh mint leaves, a little coriander leaf from the top, one nice sprig of coriander.
That's perfect.
Alright Maxi, so our special instant paneer biryani is ready to go. Okay, I would like to make one point to all our viewers. If you want to make this biryani same with chicken, so the only step you have to change is instead of adding paneer, you have to add chicken to this. And if you prefer using mutton, then you have to add boiled mutton to this. So it is now time to
bring our special guest, actor, model MEGHA SHARMA. Here you
Hi
are.
Megha, how are you?
I'm doing good, how are you?
All good Megha.
Wow, smell too good. So chef, what is all about? Can you please explain me?
So the idea about today's show is that we are going to remove the idea from people's mind that biryani is something very difficult to make.
Okay.
We have made this in less than 15 minutes time.
Actually, you know what, I'll tell you one thing. I also find like biryani is a little difficult for me. But yeah, looking this, it's looking very yummy and delicious. So I'll suggest you all viewers that you can try in your kitchen also. Maxi, I'll definitely try it. And yes, I want to have it.
Please have one.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Thank you. It looks so yummy. So, I'm gonna taste it now. It's absolutely yummy one.
It smells good too, eh?
Seriously, I just loved it. So I will suggest all of you, like, you can try it in your kitchen, and it's a very easiest way to make it out. And thank you so much, chef.
You're welcome, you're welcome.
I really liked it.
You're welcome madam, for being here. Welcome
Thank you,
tasting
Very
it.
good.
Yeah.
Have your good opinion, and it smells good. It looks good.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Now, chef, what's our next week?
We've planned something very special next week. This is Eid also coming up, and we have something special coming up for next week.
So, happy Eid Mubarak. We hope to see you next week again.
Happy Eid to all of you, and have a lovely one.
Alright, so it is Chef Khan and Maximilian signing off from Sun Studio. We promise you to be back with another beautiful recipe next week and a new set of guests. Best of luck and enjoy. Keep watching CFK. Oh. Instant paneer biryani. We're gonna show you the. Take the paneer out and get the chicken into your recipe. Eid Mubarak,
Chef.
Eid Mubarak to all you lovely viewers, and thanks for. Alright, so it is Chef Khan and Maximilian signing off from Sun Studio. We promise you to be back with